One thing I've thought about doing, I haven't really done very much, is, in science we have a lot of abstract concepts and higher order thinking, or even with math, this could apply. So we all probably teach high schoolers, so 10, 12, 11th grade, whatever. Explain this concept to me, or write this concept out, but explain it to a third grader. Simplify that, break that down so a third grader can understand it. And like I said, I haven't tried this, but my guess is if they can explain it to a third grader, then they would understand it themselves too. You have to be able to process that information and break it down into simple terms.
Yeah.
I saw that in my research. That was one thing that was suggested, was to paraphrase things and write it for an audience lower than them.
That's when I have kids write a description of an artwork, and I'll have them write a paragraph. I tell them, pretend like you're at the art museum and you've seen the most fantastic work of art and you want to tell your friend about it. You pull out your cell phone. How are you going to describe that to them that they would be able to visualize it in their mind and write it out that way? Maybe I should tell them to text it. How would you text this to your friends to see it?
Yeah,
Can't snap a picture because the museum doesn't allow pictures, so how are you going to describe this artwork so they can find it again and look at it themselves? And that seems to help them think about it more, like they have to be more specific.
Concise, yeah. And it'd be the same thing, for simplifying it for someone younger. You don't want to overwhelm them with tons of stuff, so if you concise it down and stuff. So if as a district or as a group we were going to work on one thing, maybe concise, summarizing, writing.
Using descriptors.
I would say descriptive.
Using